Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts of India University, better known as ICFAI University, has a total of 11 universities. Here our focus would be on ICFAI Sikkim campus, established in 2004, that has garnered an overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's delve into the details of the MBA program offered here, starting with the placements, which are rated 3.8 stars. As per the official website and students' reviews, prominent recruiters like HDFC Bank, Concentrix, Conrad Hilton, Marriott Bulbury Shades, ICICI Bank, Taj Hotel actively hire postgraduates in roles of business development manager, accountant, supervisor, and financial advisor. According to the NIRF 2024 report, 90 students graduated from the PG 2-year program in 2022-23, and out of these, 67% secured placements. The median salary stood at 5 lakh per annum, reflecting an appreciable increase from 2021. Comparatively, ICFAI Sikkim outperforms ICFAI Tripura and Mizoram by offering a higher median salary for its 2-year PG program, while the median salaries of ICFAI Mizoram and Tripura are on par. Students have to complete a mandatory 12-week summer internship after their first year of the MBA program. As per university policy, they must find opportunities on their own. Many students successfully secure internships with IDBI Bank, Thomson Digital, and ICICI Bank. Moving on now to academics, where the 2-year MBA program offered by the Student of Management Studies is rated 4.3 by students on Shiksha.com. It offers 3 specializations: marketing, finance, and HR. Additionally, the university also offers an MBA option for working professionals. Admission is based on MAT, ATMA, CUET PG scores, with a minimum eligibility requirement of 50% in bachelor's. Talking about the cost, the total tuition fee for the 2-year MBA ranges between 1.94 lakhs to 3.88 lakhs, varying as per government quota, domicile, non-domicile residence, and the hostel fees for the same duration varies between 2.58 lakhs to 3.43 lakhs depending on the occupancy. Speaking of scholarships, students are awarded merit scholarships, continuation of which is based on academic performance. Shifting our focus to infrastructure, which is rated 4.1 stars. ICFAI University spread over 6.5 acres of campus area along the Rangka Road, Lower Shiche, Gangtok, Sikkim, has extensive network connectivity. Interestingly, the university has acquired 17 acres in Lingdog, Gangtok to build skill training facilities with industry support. The campus has well-established Wi-Fi connectivity featuring LCD projector-enabled classrooms, English language lab, IT lab, faculty rooms, meeting halls, library, and computer center. The campus offers separate accommodation for boys and girls with various sharing options, and students highly appreciate the healthy, delicious mess food and affordable canteen meals. Sports facilities include badminton, carom, and table tennis. Turning our attention to faculty and course, rated 4.4 stars. The faculty members are qualified professionals, with most holding PhD degrees and vast teaching expertise. Students commend the teaching quality and methodologies employed by means of case studies and presentations. To sit for exams, students must maintain 75% attendance, while the passing percentage is 30%. The curriculum is enriching with collaborations and tie-ups like Atal Incubation Center, National Research Development Corporation, Ramadabai Vandam Hotel and Casino, Gangtok, and Software Technology Park of India. Interestingly, students get the right amount of exposure through extensive research opportunities under the Innovation cum Incubation Center in thrust areas of sustainability, policy studies, and economic and social development. Moving on now to campus life with a rating of 4.7 stars. Students enjoy an active campus life through vibrant participation in various clubs. The campus buzzes year-round with cultural events and festivals. Interestingly, the university also hosts seminars on topics like ecological traditions of Sikkim, workshops on how to write a research paper, and awareness session on securities market organized by Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited, that is NSE. There are a total of 9 student clubs on campus. To sum up, ICFAI Sikkim Gangtok is currently unranked in the NIRF ratings. For more details on ICFAI Gangtok and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.